Hello, I'm Dane. Welcome to another episode of the Jutsu. It's a Friday, and today we will answer another question on the RBI Fabric community. Actually, nasagot ko na as usual, pero i-discuss ko kung ano yung answer na binigay ko. So, let's see what the user wants. Ito yung gusto niya. Gusto niya mangyari is pag merong slicer, you select, for example, closed loss, closed as lalabas. You select closed one lalabas. And if he selects the word both, yung dalawang legend yung lalabas. Actually, pwede naman siya. Simple lang naman dapat siya kung papayag na siya na pag sinelect mo yung all, lalabas yung dalawa. But he wants it differently. Okay, so let's go to Power BI and resolve this problem. Category, date, value. Lalagay natin siya sa column. So, itong si date dapat nasa x-axis and si category nasa legend. And then, lalagay natin yan sa slicer. Ito si category, maglalagay tayo ng show all. So this is what I was talking about kanina. If you select loss, and loss, win, win. And yung use case niya, simple lang sana kung okay lang siya na pag sinelect mo ang all, siyempre dalawa lalabas. But he wants something else. So let's attempt to solve this. Etong data source ko dito, yung sample data, is gawa-gawa ko lang yan. Hindi naman ka siya nagbigay. And instead of closed one or closed loss, so loss and win na lang yung nilagay ko. So, how do we do this? First na gagawin natin is we will create a disconnected table. A disconnected table is something that doesn't have a relationship to your fact or other dimension table, but it's kind of a helper table para lang mapalabas yung value na gusto mo without being affected by a relationship and by using a measure. So, gagawa lang tayo ng category. So, yung category natin, iso-sort natin siya. So, category, let's start with both, then win and loss. Sort 1, 1, 2, 3. And tawagin natin siyang slicer. Load. It's loading and loading. Okay. Punta tayo ng slicer. And then let's sort this first by sort. And hide this para malinis tayo sa report view. And then, ito yung lagay natin. So, ayan. And palitan natin siya ng single select. Single select. Mukhang gumawa siya ng relationship na automatic. And again, slicer is supposed to be a disconnected table. So, dapat wala siyang relationship sa fact table natin. Okay, na-error pa. Okay, susunod na gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng measure para mapalabas yung value na gusto natin. So, tanggalin muna natin yung interaction. Yeah. Gawa tayo ng measure. So, value by category or value with both. Ganyan na lang. So, anong gagawin natin? First, let's create a variable for the selected category sa disconnected table. So, selected value, category, slicer. Second is, we'll return the value we want. So, let's see. Gawa tayo ng conditional formula by using switch. Tapos yung expression natin is the selected category. Now, if the value of selected category is both, then we'll return the sum of value. Now, if when, kailangan natin i-filter yung sum of value. So, sum value, and this should be equal to category is equal to whatever the value of our selected category is. So, let's see. When, so hindi na pala natin kailangan ito. Kung both, the result is in both. Otherwise, it's filtered to whatever the value of selected category is. And let's check. Okay. Oops. Dapat wala pala yan. Let's see. Lagay natin siya dyan. Mhm. Tama ba? Tingnan natin. Tanggalin natin si date, tapos table tayo. So, we have 91, 90, and 181 ang poll. So, yung next natin gagawin is, we will still keep the legend, but we will replace the measure with this. So, currently, tanggalin natin to. Yeah. So, currently, loss is selected. So, papunta ko ng win. Okay, then win, and then both. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Well, thank you for staying with me and have a great one. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Thank you.